Hey guys, welcome back to the Boho Homestead. It's just a quick update on day 11, 12, and 13. On day 11, I cut up some rebar for the lintels. Cut them up, and on day 12, I started making the stirrups for the lintels as well. And day 13, which would be today, I finished making the strips. I would have finished yesterday, but my blade broke and it rained, so I had to get out of here before I got stuck. So I still have a few hours. It seems like it's about to rain. However, it did not rain heavy up here yesterday. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to tie the rebars for the lintels with binding wire, and if I have more time, I am going to, these are for the other windows over there, those two, and the doorway here and here. The back is going to take a column, like a beam or something like that, so I'm not messing with that one right now. So that's why I have extras. If I finish tying these before the rain, I am going to extend these wall bars to finish the wall so we can cast the columns at the sides right there. So yeah, that's just a quick update. If I finish, I will be posting an update on the finished lintels. So the last 3 days was pretty much just steel work. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye bye.